Hello, and welcome to this video on determining information relevancy. In this video, we will explore how to evaluate a source for relevancy to a particular research topic. Let's get started. When you do research, you are likely to come across a lot of different sources. There are a couple of core factors that you should take into account when you sort through these sources to decide which ones are relevant to your research project. The first thing you'll want to consider is your research question. It's unlikely that you'll find one source that fully answers all of the different parts of your research question, but each source should address part of your research question or provide essential background information. Next, you'll want to think about scope. Finding sources within the scope of your research question means identifying sources that appropriately cover your topic without being too broad or too narrow. You also want to think about currency. Ideally, you want sources that are from the last 5 years, or if you're researching a topic with frequent scientific updates, the last 2 to 3 years. Out-of-date information is not relevant to your topic. Reliability is a key factor in determining information relevancy. Unreliable sources are not relevant to your research. For example, if you find a podcast discussing your research topic that is hosted by individuals with no credentials or qualifications in a relevant field, this type of source would not be considered reliable and would be irrelevant to your research. You should also consider audience when evaluating information for relevancy. What kind of audience are you researching for? If you're writing a paper for a university course, for instance, that means that you're writing for the scholarly audience of your professor. This means that you'll want to find scholarly academic sources. Knowing your audience can help you determine what kind of information is relevant to your research. These are just a few factors to keep in mind as you evaluate information for relevancy. If you have any questions about research or library resources, feel free to reach out to our library team via chat on the Shapiro Library homepage or by email at ask@snhu.libanswers.com. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck with your research!